Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento guys. You need to remove or replace purge control valve on a 2.4 GDI engine. Stay with us, we will explain where it's located, how to remove it, how to replace it, and we will explain how we can easily test that valve as well. So let's go ahead and explain how to do that today. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So this is the engine guys, right here, 2.4 GDI engine. Now before we start, recently I've been reading the comments that many of you guys request information about the diagnostics tools that we use, and actually to recommend a good diagnostic tool because there is millions of those on the market now. This is the one that we use daily guys here at the garage. It's one of the best tools that money can buy in my opinion. It works on almost any car you can think of, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can read more about it or buy it if you need to. You can see keys right here, but it's an all system scanner for almost every car you can think of. We will need to go ahead guys, okay, and remove the upper engine cover. With the engine out we can clearly show you things guys, okay, but not much different now. So Kia Sportage and Sorento, the same engine, the only difference will be the intake manifold. Things may differ a little bit, but not much. Now we need to get the hose loose from the throttle body with a 10mm socket. We need to go ahead, okay, pre-loosen that bracket a little bit. Okay, perfect, and it will come out of the throttle body if we pull it a little bit to the side. Okay, just like that. Now you will need to pre-loosen the hose from the air filter box as well. You will have one clamp. Then you may need to disconnect a few vacuum lines. Okay, this one here, we'll pull it out. And if you look at it now, we can flip it to the side, okay, and that will give us quite a bit of room. Your purge control valve on both of the models will be located right here on the right side of the cylinder head. Now whoever installed it last time didn't even push, okay, the line all the way in. Looking at that valve, we need to disconnect that clamp, okay, and pull that hose out. Now let's see if it's going to come out. Yep. Now on the back side you're going to have another hose that you need to disconnect. Okay, so you just grab and pull it out, but ours, okay, when we remove the engine, actually it broke. Now let's explain here guys. Okay, right here you're going to get with the screwdriver, okay, and there is one metal tool that you're going to press down to bend it a little bit, and then, okay, once you bend it, it's ready. Let come out with the screwdriver, and now that valve, okay, should come out. If it doesn't want to come out of here, okay, that wiring harness attaches with two clamps. Okay, this one you press down, okay, and when you press down, okay, not on the metal part, right here, okay, now you can pull it out. And the same thing, this one up, this one is up actually, one is up, one is down. And now that valve guys, okay, will come out. Okay, and you need to disconnect the line for the purge control valve. Okay, the cable, so open here a little bit, careful not to break it, and disconnect it. This is your purge control valve guys. If you want to see how to test it, we'll have a special video on the channel that will explain how to do that, and we have a video that explains the symptoms of bad purge control valve on Kia Sportage and Sorento as well. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.